our 6-pans countertop cold station. First off, we will draw dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 21.5 inches, a depth of 13.5 inches, and a height of 19 inches tall. Included are 6 removable pans, and each pan will measure 7 inches in length, 6.25 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 6 pans included. By removing the pans, at the bottom is where the ice can be placed to keep your products chilled. Please note that there's no drain for this cold station. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.